Good morning from the south side of the district, where there are rebels, hippies, and common misfits. So don't look over us. My mind is well driven, I don't think I need a chauffeur, bruh. I know I'm not the best, but I got potential. I wrote this rap in all ink and said fuck a pencil. Yeah, they call me crazy cause I'm instrumental. I hate when niggas say I'm back like we really miss you. They asking with my mixtape, I will get back to that once I get my shit straight. So bear with me and I got you. Honestly, I was gonna rap off Biggie who shot you, but I did dead wrong, cause I'm dead right. And future wife, I pray to God that your head right in both ways, and you'll receive a ring. And I'm a king and I feel as though that I need a queen. Please forgive me for my brash delivery. This is my legacy and how they remember me. My mom told me being different is the way to go. I can't wait for the day she can say where to go.